Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix page unresponsive error in Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing page unresponsive error in your Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on search bar, then type here percentage local app data percentage. I will repeat it once again. You can see here percentage local app data percentage. After that, click on local percentage app data. You can see here. After that, in this you need to find Google Chrome. You can see here Google, just open this one. After that you will find Chrome, just open this one folder. You need to open user data. In this you need to find default folder. You can see here default, just right click on that. If you are using Windows 10, in this you will find rename option from here. If you are using Windows 11, then you can find here rename option from here. Change from default to default old and hit enter. After that, just close this window. Right click on your Google Chrome icon. Click on properties. In this you can see here target. Just go to the last and give the space. After that you need to type -no-sandbox. You can see here, I will repeat it once again. You need to provide space in the last. After that you need to type -no-sandbox. After that, click on apply and click on OK. After doing these settings, your page unresponsive error in Google Chrome will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix page unresponsive error in your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.